We are discussing now in this video ecological adaptation of Macrolepiota procera to this concrete surface. You can see here. This is asphalted, very hard, rock hard like surface on which the litter is piled, but miraculously you can see here how life is sprouting from this asphalted surface, and we see here the clear colonization by the rhizomorphs. Now the beauty of the rhizomorphs is the rhizomorphs sometimes get black or melanized because of the very powerful ultraviolet and radiation resistant natural pigment known as melanin or fungal melanin. But the beauty of this rhizomorph is that they are able to colonize a very hard asphalted surface. After all, asphalt, as all of you know, is bitumen, and bitumen is made up from the petroleum hydrocarbons. So it is a very complex petroleum hydrocarbon which has got solidified along with the mix which they use for making the hot mix for the road, the hot carpet of the road. And this is the hot carpet of the road here we can see, and this is where the life is taking shape. Here in this area the life is taking shape here, and also we can see these seeds getting germinated due to the recent cyclonic storm and rains. And further we see the degradative food chain, that is biodegradative food chain. This is an ecological adaptation because this is a fungus of some unknown Basidiomycetes, possibly some other mushrooms, and this is clearly the Macrolepiota procera colonization. Now Macrolepiota procera, there are no reports of such type of colonization of the litter which is piled up on the hard asphalted hot mix surface. So this gives us an idea about ecological adaptation of macrofungi in tropical setup if the conditions are right, and it tells us many things about the possibility of their artificial cultivation using this type of mixed litter, because lots of these plants, 5-6 types of trees, have contributed. You can see around, this is the litter which has landed here. The 5-6 different types of trees are above my head, and all that litter falls down, and then it looks for degradative agents. If there are degradative agents naturally causing the decay of the tropical litter, then we can say that it is successful biodecomposition of the above ground organic matter like a leaf litter, which is being done here actively by 3 mushrooms. Now these 3 mushrooms, the biomass will be, if we pick up and weigh them fresh, then each of these mushroom will be definitely, it will be weighing not less than 100 grams. So 300 grams of mushroom biomass is here in front of us. So this 300 grams of mushroom biomass has come from the decomposition using powerful enzymes of the fungus of this mixed leaf litter. So this is the natural ecological process which is going on here, and then it is a beautiful example of how man-made surfaces like this asphalt are being colonized by the biodegradative macrofungi like Macrolepiota procera mushroom called parasol mushroom. And it has taken almost 2 years for this type of habitat and system to develop. That means that we need adequate amount of time for any such experiments if we were to do it artificially. But fortunately, since I am staying in the house here, A4, it was possible for me to directly observe and experience the magic of the nature right in front of my door.